बेटा बात करने से ही मामला आधा सॉल्व हो जाता है।
So hello everyone, this is Ishita Jain,
and Tejal Jain,
students of grade 9 at prestigious STEMfield International School.
presenting to you episode 2nd of STEMfield Talks with a special guest, Dr. Richa Dhiramani ma'am.
Ma'am is a gynecologist and an obstetrician at Sanskar Dhani, Jabalpur.
Richa ma'am is practicing at Jabalpur Hospital and Research Center with an experience of 15 years. We are very delighted to have you here, ma'am.
Ma'am, we look forward to have a beautiful conversation with you today at STEMfield Talks.
Hi Tejal, hi Ishita.
Hi ma'am.
I'm so glad we're going to have this conversation today with both of you.
Yes, thank you.
Ma'am, there are some questions which we wanted to ask you. Ma'am, may we start with that?
Sure.
We know that you are a renowned gynecologist of Jabalpur. Ma'am, what inspired you to choose this field as your profession, and what has been your journey been like?
So, the first thought that I ever had of becoming a doctor was because of my father. My father is a famous orthopedic surgeon of our town. I hail from a town in Chhattisgarh called Dhamtari. And I used to see my father practice. हमारा घर ऊपर क्लिनिक के ऊपर ही था, क्लिनिक नीचे थी. And we used to assist him, both me and my brother. कभी प्लास्टर कर रहे हो तो वहीं बैठते थे, उनकी ओपीडी चले गए. क्लिनिक आज में उनका चेम्बर जब बंद होता था तो हम वहीं पढ़ाई करते थे. So probably when I saw that massive respect that he got in his profession, when he still practices, so I thought नहीं बड़ी होके तो मुझे डॉक्टर ही बनना है. So that seed of becoming a doctor was because of my father.
Ma'am, nowadays actually there is a lots of lack of awareness among girls regarding their period cycle, and they are actually very much confused. And what are the things that our school should provide or school should teach the girls? They should overcome this period of adolescence, their period cycle and all these things.
So let's answer your question in two parts. You asked me a lot of things related to menstrual cycle. You know the word TMI, too much information. So there's already too much information in and around our world. Google बोल लो, peers बोल लो, friends बोल लो, lot of people.
Ma'am, we get the information from there, but we seek to the right information we can get.
That's how it should be. So, of course, there are a lot of myths revolving around menstruation, and especially talking to you girls. So, I'd like to clarify a few things. आप जिंदगी के ऐसे पड़ाव पे हो जहाँ समय आने पे आपके पेरेंट्स बोलते होंगे अभी तुम बच्चे हो, और जब कुछ काम नहीं किया तो बोलते होंगे अब इतने बड़े हो गए हो. सो आपको खुद को अभी ऐसा लगता है you're treading this path whether I'm actually a child or I'm turning into an adult. So this period of adolescence is very tricky. And of course with menstruation, जो girls के साथ जो एक this is a physiological process जो होता है उसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है. There is कितना menstrual flow होना चाहिए, कितने days की cycle होनी चाहिए, cramps होते हैं कि नहीं होते हैं, whether this is natural or not, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो हर किसी के body पे, history पे, उसकी फिजिक पे, BMI पे बहुत चीज़ें निर्भर करती है. सो nobody will have a straight answer, dictum नहीं है. But of course a normal pattern of menstruation is set. कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी है नॉलेज जो आपको एक गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट के पास जाकर ही लेनी चाहिए. साइक्लिकल रेगुलरिटी होना ज़रूरी है, एवरेज ब्लीडिंग होना ज़रूरी है, और आप पेन कई बार थोड़ा बहुत पेन इज़ ओके, बट अगेन व्हेन यू आस्क मी लाइक हाउ वी वर टॉकिंग, पेन इज़ अ वेरी सब्जेक्टिव फिनोमिनन. किसी का थ्रेशोल्ड बहुत ऊपर होता है, किसी का तो आप कितना पेन होता है हम उसको मेजर नहीं कर सकते, बट किसी महिला को अगर बहुत पेन होता हो, इरेगुलर ब्लीडिंग बहुत लंबे से चल रही हो, या बहुत कम ब्लीडिंग या टू मच एक्सेस, यू ब्लीडिंग फॉर 5-7 days कंटिन्यूसली, चेंजिंग 3 to 4 pads डेली, और हीमोग्लोबिन ड्रॉप हो रहा है, then that's abnormal. Visit a gynecologist. Coming to part 2, you asked me how schools would help you.
Yes, ma'am.
The only way that schools can help is by giving you a right actual information. And how will they do? मैंने देखा आजकल maximum schools में adolescent health education programs are mandatory. They call up people like us or any other person who can come and share information on these topics. So you have to have a doctor on board who can come and solve all your queries once or twice a year. That's how they can do. And secondly, by creating awareness that menstruation is a normal physiological process, and this has to be done by creating awareness not just in girls but also in boys, because ultimately co-ed schools होते हैं, peers होते हैं, हम इस चीज़ को normalize करना सीखें. पैड्स पे जो काली पन्नी चढ़ा के मेडिकल स्टोर्स में दिया जाता है, फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑल्सो बिगिंस देयर, that using sanitary napkins and pads is an absolutely normal thing that women have to undergo. It starts in puberty, and let's just normalize by talking about it.
Ma'am, we have seen that still the girls face problems, or they are hesitated to ask about the problems like PCOS or the period pains, or the health issues. And ma'am, how can we, as the students of the STEM field or the peers of those girls, how can we help them to overcome this all societal pressure?
देखो बेटा, बात करने से ही मामला आधा सॉल्व हो जाता है. And talking to the right person. I'm sure the schools nowadays, I've seen many schools have these therapists or counselors, and they have these chambers.
And we also have.
Ma'am, we
You
also
do
have
have, I'm
Payal,
sure, I'm sure. This is such a wonderful school. So, if you can't talk to your parents, if you're not open, which is not how it should be, of course, your parents have to be your best friends, especially in this age. Don't hesitate to talk about anything to them. The first thing that you should do is to have a relationship with your parents in such a manner where they don't judge you and you don't feel awkward talking about anything that comes to your mind. If you can't, teachers are 1/3 of the day you're with your teachers. So aap nahi baat kar pa rahe, then of course you have to rely on somebody who can solve your problems. Then we mentioned therapists or counselors. Of course, friends, peers are there, but what an adult can give you the information, जो filtered चीज़ वो आपको बताएंगे. कई बार जब आप दोस्तों से बात करते हैं, क्या चीज़ें दूसरों के experiences को आप अपने पे लेते हैं, जब that's not how it should be. Friends are a part of your life, but I think whenever you have doubts, you can talk to your parents first, or maybe a therapist or a counselor, or maybe when a doctor is in the chamber, you would want to talk about your health issues. And before you Google anything, it's better you speak to someone.
Ma'am, girls are not open right now to talk about this in public.
Yes, the change would come gradually. I'm not expecting a revolution happening in India. पहले सती प्रथा होती थी, अब नहीं हो रही है, बंद हो गई है. तो कुछ रेवोल्यूशन लाने में थोड़ा वक्त लगता है. आज जो ये आप कर रहे हैं, this is one of the pathways to revolution, where maybe few years down the line, girls will be more open talking about it. How it can happen? By the right use of social media, what the school is going to do. And also, how, like, you will become seniors one day. You have to help juniors. You will become elder sisters one day. So the change starts there. आपके भी छोटी बहनें होंगी, आपके friends की छोटी sisters होंगी. So then how you can bring out कि girls open होंगी, that normalize things. Normalize talking about periods. Normalize talking about changes happening in puberty. Maybe even attraction or infatuation. This is a pretty normal phenomenon. Hormones का problem है, सबके साथ होता है, हमारे साथ भी हुआ है, आपके parents के साथ भी हुआ होगा, आपके grandparents के साथ भी हुआ होगा. So we have to understand कि ये होता आया है, और इसको acceptance is the first rule. So yes, मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि आज मेरा एक बोलने से कल से सब open होकर इस बारे में बात करेंगे. It will take time. But let's start that wave of normalizing things happening around, talking about it.
Ma'am, actually, during the menstrual cycles, girls are restricted to do some things, like they are restricted to go to the temples and many other activities they are restricted to do. So, what is the scientific reason behind all these social taboos?
ये जो आपका ये फेज है, पहले क्यों बोला जाता था? क्यों किया जाता था? क्योंकि पहले बहुत औरतें काफ़ी काम हैंडवर्क होता, आटा खुद ही पीसना चक्की में, खुद ही कपड़े धोना, खुद ही पापड़ बड़ी, सबका काम. एवरीथिंग यूज्ड टू बी लेस मशीन डिपेंडेंट एंड मोर हार्ड वर्क, मोर ह्यूमन वर्क. तो पहले इन 2-3 दिनों को इट वाज लाइक अ ब्रेक फ्रॉम देयर रूटीन. The concept came from having a break. Plus, because science इतना involved नहीं था, उनके पास knowledge नहीं थी, तो उनको लगता था this is a thing going on in me, you know, menstruation होना, blood loss होना, तो उनको लगता था ये मेरे को एक बीमारी हो गई है. So to curb that, they used to कि आप 3 दिन 4 दिन काम मत कीजिए, चौके में मत आइए, मंदिर का काम आपको नहीं करना, उनके लिए एक टाइप का ब्रेक होता था. But with evolving science and generation बदली है, वो कुछ चीज़ें तो रूढ़िवादी रह गई, तो पर वो अब तो मशीन्स हैं हमारे पास काफ़ी काम सॉर्ट करने के लिए. तो मेरे ख्याल से ये रीज़न रहा होगा कि आज भी दादी नानी बोलती हैं कि बिकॉज यू आर शेडिंग ब्लड, आप थोड़े वीक हो, इट्स अ वे ऑफ गिविंग यू अ ब्रेक फ्रॉम योर रूटीन. आई बिलीव दैट वाज वन ऑफ द रीजंस कि चूल्हा चौका नहीं करना, मंदिर का काम नहीं करना, उसको माइथोलॉजी से जोड़ के इनडायरेक्टली यू गिविंग रेस्ट टू द वुमन.
Ma'am, any way which you can suggest us so that we can break these societal barriers?
Beta, good question. What I would suggest is let's talk to our parents, grandparents about it. बहुत चीज़ें ये चीज़ें चेंज होने में वक्त लगेगा, क्योंकि आप कुछ चीज़ें हिंदुइज्म में, इंडिया में जो रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट से जुड़ी रहती हैं, उसमें आपके अकेले के बोलने से नहीं होगा. थोड़ी चीज़ें चेंज हो रही है, देयर इज अ पॉजिटिव साइड टू इट. So again, what we are doing today, talking about it, let's just keep talking about it over the years. Maybe 15 years, 20 years, 50 years, ये सब भी बंद हो जाएगा.
Ma'am, is there any message that you want to give to the boys of the school so that they can support the girls of their classes or peers?
Very, very good question. The first thing, I would like to give a message to the school. Whenever you hold adolescent health education programs, do it together. Let's normalize talking about menstruation to boys also. Second message to the parents is, whenever जब आपकी young बच्ची जिसको menstrual cycle start होता है, let's talk about that menstrual cycle कि this is what has happened to your sister, maybe younger or maybe elder, कि ये एक normal process है and the brother should know that. It starts from the family. कि कई बार जब I remember my episode, my brother is 2 years younger to me. And हमारे घर में भी ये सिस्टम आज भी है, मंदिर नहीं आना, किचन का वो थोड़ा बहुत जो रेस्ट्रिक्शंस जो रूढ़िवादी चली आ रही हैं. तो my brother was told to, you know, he was like, यहाँ से हटो. And ये ऐसा something major ho halla about me started when I started chumming. He felt that very awkward and nothing was ever mentioned to him. So I remember till date that awkwardness he had. आप मंदिर में आप अगरबत्ती, क्योंकि हम सब सुबह पैर पढ़ के स्कूल जाते थे, आज ऋचा दीदी ने क्यों नहीं किया? So I think the change also starts somewhere there. You know, it's just family, your environment, and even school hosting things together, so that even your colleagues, your friends in the class know if my, you know, one of my batchmates is undergoing a menstrual date or whatever, if you have pain, they should be okay about कि हाँ, this is something happening naturally to them. Instead आप छुपाएं और वो उस चीज़ को मजाक में लें या उनके लिए वो बहुत बड़ा हवा बन जाए. That second thing that can be done. So boys also have to understand, and it's a very delicate line of how to react to what's happening. Third thing, of course, the girls have to be talking about menstruation or things of puberty openly. So this is a natural phenomenon, accept it. कोई बहुत बुरी बात नहीं होती है, कोई जलील होने की बात नहीं है, कोई बुरा लगने वाली बात नहीं है. You have a uterus, you have a ovary, आपका एंडोमेट्रियम निकलेगा हर महीने. इट्स नेचुरल एंड नॉर्मल. जब आप ही खुद नॉर्मलाइज करेंगे अपने आजू बाजू के एनवायरनमेंट को, दैट रिएक्शन दैट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द एनवायरनमेंट विल बिकम नेचुरल ऑटोमेटिकली.
That was a nice talking with you, ma'am. Thank you so much for coming. That brings us to the end of this conversation. A big thank you to Dr. Richa ma'am for sharing her insights and expertise with us. I hope this conversation helped you to learn something new. Remember, your health matters. Does not hesitate to ask questions and seek right information.
If you found this video valuable, please follow our page and like the video. And stay tuned and stay healthy and also stay informed. Thank you.
Thank you so much for having me here. It was wonderful talking to both you girls, Tejal and Nishita.
Thank you, ma'am.
All the best.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.